Currently in Wildwood, New Jersey. One of the best, most classic things about Wildwood, New Jersey is right here. The tram car. Looks like they're training a like 75-year-old driver over here on how to drive the tram car for the first time. Okay, giddy up. I think they're about to move. I wonder if she knows where my favorite button on there is. Can you push it one more time?
Watch the tram car, please.
Thank you. You fixed it. You used to go, whoa, watch the tram car, please. Now it just does it once.
Watch the tram car, please.
Hey, here it comes. It's gaining full speed.